Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, you can just go to phone, or you can go to home menu. But if you go to home menu, it says there please connect phone. If you click on please connect phone, it shows you the phones that are connected, just like it did when we went to the other screen. So Barry's iPhone 12 Pro there isn't a phone that can be connected, but it's not. So when there's nothing connected, it comes up with that screen, and then delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. That's it, don't get any simpler. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. So first of all, from any screen, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over here, you can either click phone here, or if you're on home menu, you see please pair phone, click please pair phone, search new. The easiest way to do it is vehicle to device, because then it generates a random PIN number as opposed to you putting one in your phone and then having to enter it in the system. Or in the old days, it used to be 2121 on the Land Rovers. That was the standard one, and you just had to enter it into your phone. May take a little bit of time, because I've had this phone paired and I've just deleted it. Sometimes that confuses the system, but it's come up. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. You see there, that's a car just going past. They've got a very good system, Peugeot. So Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. To pair and connect phone, enter 5216 on handset. Now we'll just wait for these. That's it. 5216 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, and that's it there. Not connected, and now it's connected. Connected on the system. That's it. I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery 2012. So on your phone, go to music. You'll see there Bob Dylan. Now if I click play, at the bottom there you'll see Land Rover, so it's connected to this. That basically means any music, any audio, whether it be on YouTube soundtrack, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, or iTunes, it will play if you've got the system set up right. Just to make sure, look, if you click on the three red circles and the triangle there, you've got iPhone and Land Rover. Land Rover's got a tick next to it, so that's it. We'll go back to Bob Dylan. So that's playing. I'm going to turn him down over to the system, and you've got audio video. Click on audio video. Now I'm going to do something else just to I'm going to put it on radio first, because sometimes it's confusing. The only thing on a Land Rover that is sometimes confusing, I think. So it's playing on here, we want to play it on there. You've got there radio, and because it's on radio, there's a plus there, and it allows you to change certain things when you click on the plus. But we're looking for auxiliary or your Bluetooth music. So you have to go to My Music. So you click on My Music. Now it was on CD, so it's saying please insert disc. But when it goes back, when that clears and it goes back, you now see a plus next to My Music. You click on the plus, Barry's iPhone. So that's what we want to select there. Knocking on Heaven's Door, Bob Dylan. I turn it up here, turn it up, and then that's it. Real good system. The sound's fantastic in here. That's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. From any screen, you've got nav here, or if you're on the home menu like so, from home menu you've got quick destination entry. All you have to do is click destination entry there. If you go to it through nav, click on nav, you've got destination entry up there. So it's another click, nothing too drastic. Then you've got postcode. Click postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. P R 5 4 J S. Not the quickest, but it is by far the simplest, I think. And then you have to click OK. You've got PR54JS, that's all right. That's what we want. Click OK. Route preferences. Destination. Destination's been set at PR54JS. Click Go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
Guy's voice on the sat-nav. I don't think I've ever heard that before. Right. That's it. Thanks for watching.